Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying that your phone and plan actually support 5G. This avoids wasted effort. Once confirmed, enable developer options and USB debugging so you can change network settings safely. Make a full settings backup and note the current APN and band preferences. This lets you revert if something fails. Next, insert the proper 5G-capable SIM and update carrier profile. Those two steps unlock the 5G connection prerequisites and let you move into configuration without delay. Now you configure the network. Update the APN to the carrier's 5G profile so data and signaling use the correct routes. Once done, set preferred network type to NR/LTE/auto. That allows fallbacks while prioritizing 5G. If your device supports band locking, choose the carrier's primary 5G bands, such as N78 or N41, to improve reliability. Use the engineering menu or carrier app to apply band locks, and confirm the modem reboots with the new parameters active before testing speeds and stability. Finish by verifying the 5G indicator and performing speed and latency tests in different spots to confirm meaningful gains. If performance is poor, cycle the SIM, reboot the modem, and reapply the carrier profile. Those actions often resolve provisioning hiccups. Make sure the carrier has provisioned your line for 5G service and that no account flags block access. If problems continue, revert to your settings backup and contact carrier, support with test logs, and exact modem band information for targeted resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.